Welcome to Job Creations. Latest job update is from Flipkart Internet Private Limited. Flipkart is hiring for two different job roles and job locations are in Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore and Bengaluru locations. Both experienced candidates and freshers can apply for this position. Before going into the details, please subscribe to the channel and please share our videos and hit the like button. Flipkart is hiring for logistics executive for entire South Zone. Freshers and experienced candidates can apply for this position. Your salary will be 2 lakhs to 2,50,000 per annum and locations are Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore and Bengaluru. Roles and responsibilities for this position includes the incumbent manages the responsibility of total branch operation and with collections, MIS and report updating. He will also handle a team of customer associate and material handlers. He will also need to coordinate with the service provider on vehicle allocation requirement and route dispatch. And educational qualification for this position, any graduate or any postgraduate can apply. Along with the salary you will be given medical insurance and other benefits also. Next position is also of logistics executive. Locations are Hosur, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore and Bengaluru. 1 to 2 years of experience is required for this position and your salary will be from 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs per annum. Any graduate with 1 or 2 years of experience can apply for these positions and desired skills are good communication skills and you should be able to work under pressure and local language awareness will be an added advantage. You should be flexible for working in shifts. Current opening is for only 3 months. It's a contractual basis job and if you are willing to work you can definitely apply. Candidate with personal laptop will be given high preference and salary will be provided along with other benefits. So roles and responsibilities for this position include to coordinate with zonal teams and support in preparing line haul roadmap for long-term planning and execution. You have to support the expansion, speed improvement initiatives and debottlenecking of line haul constraints to increase cart reach at optimal cost. Deploy line haul fleet allocation to routes replacements. I'm going to provide the link in the description box for both of these job roles. Interested candidates can apply. Stay tuned to Job Creations for more such latest job updates.